So, you're thinking about a drone. You want those epic aerial views, right? Meet the DJI Mini 4 Pro. This drone really changes the game, especially if you're new to flying. It's your straightforward ticket to the skies. DJI, the undisputed leaders in the drone world, make drones accessible. The Mini 4 Pro expertly builds on that legacy. It's refined, incredibly smart, and packed with proven DJI technology. To purchase, check out the link in the description box. This version comes with the DJI RC2 controller. More batteries mean more flight time. The excellent controller has its own dedicated screen. It's all about ensuring a smooth, easy experience. So what's the big deal here? It's incredibly beginner-friendly, yet seriously powerful. This is far from being just a basic toy. It is fully capable of delivering pro-level results. But the best part? You don't need to be a pro. The learning curve is surprisingly gentle and forgiving. Smart, automated features are there to help you out. It truly represents the best of both worlds. Ready to take flight? Let's talk about its size. This thing is tiny, weighing under 249 grams. Why does that matter? Fewer regulations in many places. You can essentially just grab it and go. It fits so easily into almost any bag. The portability factor is off the charts. Perfect for travel and everyday use. Now let's discuss the camera. It features a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor. That translates to better, cleaner, sharper images. It shoots in gorgeous 4K HDR video at 60 frames per second. It even handles 4K slow motion at 100 frames per second. And yes, true vertical shooting for your socials. Flight time is crucial. With 3 intelligent flight batteries, you get 34 to 45 minutes per battery. That's more time to explore and film. It boasts omnidirectional obstacle sensing capabilities. Sensors on all sides enhance flight safety. It actively sees and avoids potential obstacles. DJI's O4 transmission ensures a clear, stable video signal, and the included DJI RC2 controller is awesome. So, what do actual users think about it? The feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. People love the impressive image quality from such a small drone. The videos it produces are crisp and vibrant. The photos it captures are detailed and sharp. It delivers professional-grade visuals consistently. Its portability gets huge praise. It's just so easy to take anywhere. This results in people using it more often. DJI's companion app is user-friendly and intuitive. The initial setup process is quick and simple. You can be airborne in just a few minutes. The omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system is a game changer. It provides pilots with more confidence. This is especially true for beginners or tricky environments. The DJI RC2 controller is also popular. Having a bright built-in screen is fantastic. No more fiddling with your smartphone. The connection to the drone is fast and stable. The controls feel responsive and precise. Okay, let's keep it real. No single product is perfect. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is very light. In strong wind conditions, it might get pushed around more. And yes, it is a premium mini drone. The price reflects all the technology packed inside. It's definitely an investment, not an impulse purchase, but for most people, those cons are minor. The benefits it offers are incredibly strong. You get an incredible camera and top-tier safety features. Plus, unmatched portability and ease of use. The overall proposition is extremely compelling, so who is this drone for? New to aerial videography or photography? Want to capture amazing shots easily? Need something ultra-portable for travel and content creation? The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a clear contender. It empowers you to capture stunning, unique views. All without a steep learning curve. My honest take? This is the one to beat. Ready to purchase? Click the link in the description box to get your drone now.